Download this code and get free GPT-4o from codegive.com, link in the description below. In Python, the three dots, ellipsis, can be used as a placeholder or a signal to indicate that there is more content to be added or that a sequence continues. The ellipsis can be used in various contexts, including indexing, slicing, and as a placeholder for incomplete code. One common use of the ellipsis in Python is in indexing multidimensional arrays or sequences. When used in indexing, the ellipsis represents a wildcard that allows you to specify multiple dimensions without explicitly listing them all. Here is an example to demonstrate the usage of ellipsis in indexing. In this example, the ellipsis is used to access all elements in a specific dimension of a 3D numpy array. The expression ARR0 accesses all elements in the first dimension, while ARR2 accesses all elements in the last dimension. The ellipsis can be used as a concise way to represent multiple dimensions without specifying each one individually. Overall, the ellipsis in Python indexing provides a convenient way to work with multidimensional data structures and simplifies the indexing syntax when dealing with arrays of varying dimensions.